AG Labs, my name is Ben. Hello, good morning, and welcome to the Microsoft show. To my right, you see Andy. He's just fixing an iPhone 6 Plus in the morning. And me, I want to start today with an iPhone 8, which was mailed in because somebody changed the screen, and after that, the phone doesn't boot anymore. Okay, let's see what we got here in front of us, and if we can solve that problem. Okay, no screws at the bottom. Don't know why. Somebody forgot to put in or didn't want to put in, I don't know. Okay. Okay. What's that? Do you see that? The front cam? Andy, please have a look. People, why do you work on these devices? I can't understand, I can't believe it's great. Okay, let's see. Yeah, no problem. I don't want to say bad things now, but these screens I never would use for repair. And if you connect the front camera in that way, it can't work. It can't work. Let's see if the FPC is okay. And a quick tip: don't do repairs if you work like that. Do repairs if you work in the right way, no problem, but don't do any repairs if you work in that way, because that's just okay. This is not the way to mount, okay? It has to be in that way. Perhaps if you watch the video, take a look for it and think about that. Okay, screen is off. Let's see what the customer did on this phone. So the FPC is okay, so that's not a problem. But what's that here? You see the MOSFET is, this MOSFET here is correct at this point. You see that here, bad connection. So this is not good, and the front camera was not mounted right. In this case, I don't want to disassemble the whole board out of the housing. I just want to get up the glue sticker or the glue stickers. Interesting repairs. The last 2 days we got some interesting repairs. Yesterday what really was interesting, as last repair yesterday, was an iPhone 8 Plus which was stucking at 60 milliamps, and it was a disconnected CPU. You can see that on Instagram. And here you can see no connection on the MOSFET here and no connection on the MOSFET here. So that's just not good. Let's take it off completely. Okay, you see the pads are not ripped off the board, that's fine, but they are ripped off the MOSFET itself. I wanted to show you, but I lost the MOSFET. Okay, but here you can see the rest of the pads of the MOSFET is just here on the pads on the bottom. And here we have to renew the glue sticker later. That doesn't look good. Okay, that looks fine. We take off this glue sticker here too. Fast video, I didn't know before. That it will be a fast video like that. But it's funny. Okay, for mounting the new MOSFET in the right way, we need to get up a little bit more of solder here, because there is no solder on the pads of the MOSFET, of the new MOSFET. So we have to get up some more solder here, like that, like pyramids, and then we can take a new MOSFET . And place it right here. And you see it sits down. So that's good. That's really good. And you see that here? There is a loose connection. I saw the crack here in the coating on the top, and just wanted to see what about if it's loose or not. So let's check. I have an idea what can't work because of this loose small part under the overfill. I always control them after somebody worked on the screen. So just want to try to start the device. So always use your eyes if you see something which is not correct. And I saw that the overfill over the small parts next beside to the LCD and touch FPC was just cracked a little bit. So I just gone there with my tweezers and I saw that there is a loose part there, and I just want to show you what the effect of this is. I can show it to you in ZXW. iPhone 8 Intel. It's a capacitor on 5V7. Okay, the phone works. That's okay, but I want to fix that capacitor here. You see that capacitor C 5715 5715, and I just want to fix that. It's a capacitor on 5V7, so it will work without that capacitor connected, but it can cause some problems later. And if we would have a short there, it just wouldn't work. So always control. If somebody worked in that area here and changed the screen, always control them small parts. And I saw this crack here, and I just put the tweezer here a little bit, and I directly saw, okay, we have a loose small part, a loose capacitor here. So I just want to take it out. Capacitors are there for the stabilization. So if there are enough capacitors at a line, the phone will work fine, but the question is how long, corresponding to the line, and it's just not like it should be. So I just get down the capacitor here again. Okay, it's fine. And that's one of the reasons why I always take the gum off the FPCs in the areas somebody has worked already. And now we are fine again. And the phone should work again. It's not my problem that the customer has no true tone and no auto brightness anymore, because he just has changed the screen. Perhaps he can get touch problems later because he didn't take the data from one to the other screen, but that's not our problem. The customer wanted to have a working device, and what he gets back is, or a device that boots and charges, but I can't, I don't want to do anything now. I don't know if this screen is programmable. I will do it in that way. I just read out the data with the JC suite, and after that I will try to get the screen data on this screen. But if it isn't programmable, and normally these cheap screens aren't, I can't change it, okay? So then it's just not my problem. So just want to get on the FPCs here. Okay, and test battery. Current flow. Boom! Back to life again. 1.1 amps. We got an Apple. Device is booting. Device is booting, and you can see. That's all. Just a short video for Thursday. It's Thursday today? Yes, for Thursday morning. If you want to learn things like that easily, you can do that at the board level repair school Germany. If you're working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can easily join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. Please answer the questions, otherwise you won't be accepted, okay? I'm out. I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up. Boom! Back to life again. Goodbye. Yours Ben. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.